Hey guys, so it's the 19th of July 2015 and it's RIAT, but you don't want this weather on RIAT. It's about 5:30 in the morning and we're just waiting at the end of my street, waiting for the all-important text on my phone that my uncle's coming to pick me up for RIAT. Royal International Air, if you haven't heard of it, it's a pretty big UK airline, but it's pretty much international. Yeah, there's aircraft from all over the world, don't there? Yeah, like, I'm borrowing someone's GoPro. Thanks. Oh, yeah. And I'm just going to vlog the entire thing.
Well, I want to buy a GoPro.
Oh my god, this car is cool though. This car is cool.
But you don't.
Why? Because it's in kilometres? Oh right, the 0 starts at the bottom.
Yeah, the 30 was around near enough before.
It's a shame the weather didn't hold up. I mean, the weather was perfect yesterday.
Yeah.
And it's absolutely awful today.
It's going to be good later on though.
Yeah, it's only supposed to be until about 8 o'clock. It's only supposed to be raining until about 8.
Get there from about 8 and it'll be right.
Yeah, exactly. Like, it would just be to drive over and then it should be.
That time we went to Farnborough and absolutely hammered it down and then suddenly it just got really nice, didn't it?
Yeah.
Time we went.
That was disgusting, that weather. I still remember that, like it was so wet and raining.
Well, look at that one down there.
RIAT Fairford. Oh, look at that. Gotta record that, it's just too beautiful.
5 prop. BF 109, that's flying today, forgot to mention.
Mark 5?
Mark 5.
Wow, that's new.
Well,
There's
no,
an X-ray Hotel 558 and there's a bloody golf cart in the way.
I wonder where he was going then.
Here we go.
They told me about that.
Hey?
They told me about that.
No, they didn't say anything. Like, I could just literally bring it in. Well, I just held it up. No, they knew I had it. But no, we've arrived in RIAT. We're in Fairford, and the first thing we walk into is obviously the Red Arrows.
Red Arrows.
The Vulcan's over there next to me, Hotel 558. But I'm all about the Red Arrows. To be honest, I think they're great. The Vulcan is flying with the Red Arrows. Hey?
Need to get a picture of this.
All the Red Arrows. Yeah, let's go over there and take a picture. Like that is just the coolest thing. That's just the sexiest thing ever. Just the Red Arrows all in a line. X-ray 232. Mark being Mark. Go straight over to the Spitfire. It's true though, isn't
Spitfire. Spitfire's the best.
Going over to the Vulcan as well. What mark is this? Mark 3? Mark 2?
Mark 3.
This is literally heaven for me right now. Diamond Star, DA40. We've got the Phenom. Well, what's that then? I just love those forwards, like, what are they? I know I said before those VFR aircraft, the GA aircraft were mine, and that was my area. Well, this just tops it off. 737, mate. It's US, I believe, actually. Juliet Alpha 956. I don't know who that is or what air that is, but it's flown by Lieutenant Patrick Gugeno. Something tells me it's Brazilian or something like that, but. An hour in, he's running. He's running.
Didn't know you made aeroplane.
What I'm gonna do with the airshow is I'm gonna try and get as much recorded as I can, but I want to, I don't want to record everything. I just want to record things that, like, I'll record the Vulcan. And we don't actually know what else is flying really, apart from, like, the Eurofighter, obviously hurricanes, tornadoes, Spitfire. Hey? Yeah, I know that intake is massive. No, that's the exhaust actually. The intake's on the other side.
Sorry, yeah, the exhaust.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll try and record as much as I can, but I can't promise anything.
Of the nearest 1000 M is a nuclear interference. It is equipped with a brand new French-made
Here we go.
hypersonic cruise missile. And the Ramix Delta are taking off. And rolling now is the Kawasaki P1.
Just blasted it all
here's the special treat. As she flies down the runway, you see the red arrows giving her a special salute. So, coming back towards us from the right, you can see the twinkling of the lights of the Praetorian Guards. The Empress herself, trailing unburnt fuel. Calling the team into short diamond, pulling up at 400 miles an hour. You now see the aircraft collapse to around 6 feet apart. They reach 6,000 feet in the sky above us and form that fabulous shape of short diamond as the jets slow down to about 150 miles an hour. The voice of Red One Squadron leader David Montenegro, who's in his first year as the team's leader. David is a former Hawk flying instructor, then operationally flew the Tornado F3 in the air defense role. Originally, he flew with the Red Arrows from 2009 through to 2011. and ended up leading the synchro pair. And after leaving the Red Arrows, he went on to fly the Tucano, teaching basic fast jet training.
Reversing right now.
Airshow's finished now. I don't know if you can hear me, so I'm going to speak a little bit louder and try and hold the camera a bit closer. But we're just the airshow it's actually still going on, but we've just got a little bit more left to do in terms of looking around. So we're at the Beechcroft King Air right now, which is also something I like to think I know, but I don't really know the King Air. My uncle's just messing around in the glasses right now, and he's buying some glasses. They're £5 because they're clearing today. Obviously, this is the last day of the airshow, so everyone's just clearing everything. But yeah, we're going to take a look around. We've been at the airshow now for about 8 hours, with a 2-hour, 3-hour drive, and yeah, we've got a little bit more looking about to do, and then we're going. Oh, the fly just flew in my ear.
Right, if you go down, this is going to hurt him. It's making a noise. The lorry's aimed at me, because I can't get through.
Hey! Lola, shut up! Oh, he's such a cool one. Hey guys, so it's been a few hours since I actually last hit the record button. We went to Burger King, got some food, and now we're back, but no one's at home. My family's been at X Factor in London the entire day, and they've finally, well, I mean, it should have ended now, but maybe they're stuck in London or something. But all in all, RIAT was absolutely perfect. My hair is a mess now from all the wind. My face is burnt. You could probably see it's all red. Look, is it all red? I don't know. You'll probably be able to see. And I was starving at the end of it, but luckily, you know. I want to thank Mark, my uncle, for giving me a lift and also paying for it, and my nanny for coming along with us. That was really entertaining, and it was good. There was some loud aircraft, as you could probably see, and I really enjoyed it. So guys, thanks for watching the vlog. I hope to see you in a couple of weeks for the next one. You know what that's going to be. Alright, I'll see you guys later.